Yeah, mina ngutsepo Brandi Risoko, chairperson of the Carolina branch. Sila a greater Secunda today, Secunda year launch, of which marks one of the important events la in Mpumalanga province, showing the full support that we are behind the team Orlando Pirates. Namhlanje ngithukile ngendlela engibona ama branches wonke aphumile, ngibonile iMalahleni, ngisibonile iStanderton, ngibonile iMbalenhle ikhona, iHenryna ikhona, iEmelo ikhona, Carolina also is there. That shows ukuthi cha iPirates iyathandwa ngempela. Sikhona nathi siCarolina sithi up the bucks.
Okay. Asilonje kuphela siphinze celebrate le treble celebration ngoba i-team yethu isijabulisile ithethe amakhaphu wonke we-3. Ungasitshela something ngalokho?
Uyabona iPirates man made history ngokwenza i-treble. It's the second treble mawukhumbula kahle. You know abantu bese bas right off, but iPirates ayi league iphumile, league ihambile. I kept on telling people ukuthi league ayikahambi man, and bese bathi hayi basikhuluma bathi ileague ayithathwa ngama-goal. Azange soshaya ama-goal masidlala ne-Orbit, but sayithatha ileague. You know, Jesus, God is on our side.
Yes.
The mighty Buccaneers sekuncane lokhu, we are gunning for a CAF manje. We're going to bring back the star again. And but star said sakudala. We show them ukuthi kune star. We're going to take another one manje.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ungathembisa yini balandzele njengoba uthi siya ku CAF. Ukhuluma nge-star manje nayi Mamelodi Sundowns ithethe star. Kubalandzele be-Orlando Pirates ungathini ngalokho?
Balandeli asibhaliseni arena wonke ama-games wa-attend, si-supporteni team, have belief and have faith in the team. Then in that way the boys are going to gain confidence from us. Then we're going to conquer.
Okay, Chairman ngibonga isikhathi sakho ne.
Bonga mina mzima.
Thank you ba.
Thank you.